Bore da. Just checo Facebook Live yn gweithio, fi'n creu ma fe. Gwneud twylder bach fel yna. Okay. Gobeithio pawb yn iawn. Hope everybody is well. Cyn ni'n dechrau, neu siŵr mae pawb gyda dŵr. Make sure everyone's got some water and bach o lle and some space. Okay. Ffit yn 5. Ffit yn 5. 5 gweithgaredd. We're going to work for 1 minute. Hanner ffordd trwyddan, ni'n cael gorffwys bach. Halfway through, we'll have a little break. Twy Milan, quick cool down. Job done. Dechrau yr wythnos. Wel, yr ail diwrnod yr wythnos yn ffordd great. Okay. Plan heddi. Mae fe'n galed heddi. Okay. It's a hard one today. Won't lie. Sa'n siŵr pam nes I wneud hwn, ond it is what it is. We'll go for it. Okay, so plan yw naid seren 1, 2, 3. Okay, so ni'n mynd I wneud naid seren. We're going to do a star jump. A wedyn 1, 2, 3, rhedeg. Okay, so star jump, 1, 2, 3. Star jump, 1, 2, 3. That's the first one. Yr ail un, battle rope. Okay, we're going to go into a little bit of a squat. Ddim right ffordd lawr. Just hanner squat, okay? So plug your pengliniau. You're going to cael raff. We're going to get a rope. So hanner squat. And ni'n just mynd I symud yn gyflym, okay? Imagine, mae rhai o'r gyms, falle chi wedi weld, un yn Plasgrig. Ti'n symud y raff fel na, okay? Am 30 eiliad. So ni'n dal gweithio coesau. We're still working our legs, but we're going to work for 30 minutes, okay? Kind of looks like you're milking a cow. But that's fine. Flutter kicks, un o favourites fi, ni'n mynd I gorwel ar y llawr. Okay, pan ydych chi'n weld, kind of. Gorwel ar y llawr, a ni'n mynd I wneud kicks bach, toes pointed away, and 30 eiliad, okay? Working the abs. Oh, Steph, drwg. Burpees. Ni heb wneud burpees yn spell, okay? Horrible as it is, we've got to do them. Why? Because ma'n tough. So burpees, mynd lawr i'r llawr, kick o mas, pop on o lan, jump. Okay, wedyn, make sure our hands go down so we don't crash to the floor, kick out, belly down, jump back up, pop o fel lan. Burpees, gweithio galed, mae'n iawn. A wedyn, I benni off, gyda bach o hopping, 1 minute, left foot only, break, right foot only. Pawb yn iawn, a ni'n mynd trwyddo e wedyn. Okay, just cyn dechrau, plant for me this week. We got a tree beard all over the rings by Ffit Yn. Is the tree really small or am I really big? Who knows? Okay, ni'n mynd I dechrau. Soft knees. Fel arfer, ni'n neud high knees reit lan. Tro ma, ni'n mynd I soft. So just bach mwy land na jog, okay? A little bit more up higher than a jog. So it's just a bit soft. Fi'n gael nhw soft knees. Okay, so it's not a proper, it's not a jog. Jog's like this, just off the floor. A little bit higher. Kind of like how a pony would prance. Just elegant. Da iawn. Newyddion da ddo. Slowly getting back to normal. Slow. Ni bron na, boys. Da iawn. Hael yn dod mas. Days are getting longer. Bach o positivity. Okay. We're going to try your ochr. We're going to turn to the side. Tro ma. Same with the heel flicks. We're not going right up to the bum. Just bach. That's it. Cael symud y breichau. Keep moving. The arms. Just try bach. Like slow motion running, really, isn't it? Cadw'n adlu. Good. Okay, nôl y canol. Siwgr fy mas bach. Squat, swing, okay? Ni'n mynd I wneud squat. A wedyn, swing o breichau mas. Squat. Open the arms out into a swing, a slow motion swing. Squat and swing. Squat, swing. Now swing. Cofio, bums going down like you're sitting into a chair. Bending the knees. Straight back. Da iawn. Good. And swing. Good, da iawn. Just make sure ni'n barod. This is going to be a tough one. Yn credu, this could be the toughest session so far. Ni wedi bod adeiladu. We've been building it up, okay? Couple of mis now, fi'n credu. We've been building our fitness up, so this is going to be a tough one. Cofia, if it's too tough, do what you can. Falle I go too slow, maybe I go too fast. Do it at your own pace, okay? So fel star jump 1, 2, 3, if I'm going like this, falle ti'n neud 1, 2, 3. Okay, lan I chi, up to you. Ond, push yourselves. Don't take it easy. If you think you can go a bit quicker or a bit better technique, go for it. Pawb I cael sip o dŵr, os mae un ar bwysau chi. Okay. Timer. 5 minutes o gweithio, that's all it is, 5 minutes of work. And then we can enjoy the sunshine. Kind of. Ar gwynt hefyd. So, nice Erin, 1, 2, 3. Off on ni. 1, 2, 3. Nice Erin, 1, 2, 3. You go at your own pace. 1, 2, 3. Get those legs out straight. Oh, nice bend in the elbows. Good. Fi'n neud hwn, cos mae'r to right o flan. Good. Shigl o mas. Calon fi'n mynd. Let's see what we got. What's that doing the old dechrau there? Be sydd ar ni? Press button. Okay. 139 da fi. Woo. Off on ni. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Quick feet. Get the blood pumping. Get the heart working. Bach o science. Gwyddoniaeth. Okay, next one. Battle rope. A wedyn I spawn your science. So battle rope. Plug your pengliniau, bend your knees. Okay, not all the way down for the squat. It's the half a squat. And then the rope. Okay, keep your back straight. And we're going to go. If you think of it as milking a cow, that's fine for 1 minute with a break in between. Body's releasing endorphins. You will feel fantastic after. Okay. There it is. Good. Oh, caravan. Try mawr, now try mawr, fel ti'n dansio. Big rope. Big rope. Caravan. Back and straight, backs nice and teeth. Da iawn. Good. 135 beats per minute, okay? Heart is working faster. And to pump blood around the body. Trauma, lan I chi. You could do two-handed. You can do one for 15, another for 15, lan I chi. Okay, quarter squat. Fi'n mynd I gweithio tan 20 eiliad. A wedyn, we'n mynd I big ones, two-handed. Good. No. Try gyflym. Fast. Good. Cadw fynd. Oh, I thought that would be a little bit easier. It's not. Flutter kicks ar y llawr. Lower abs ni, okay? Point the toes away. And I'm going to cadw. We're not going super high. We're going to keep it quite low, okay? So just no problem if you weld. You can either just do little ones. I don't want to see your legs coming up all the way because that's when the quads come in. We just want your abs working. Pawb lawr. Go. Gotta be loud. If there's room, put your head down. Oh! Kicks back, pointed toes. Make sure your back is on the floor. Halfway, good. All I can see is my feet on the screen. Oh! Get them in. Go, go, go. Little kicks, kicks back. Oh! Da iawn. One more set, okay? Kicks back. Fel chi yn y pwll nofio, like in a swimming pool. A ti yn dal yn wal. Splash, splash, splash. Oh, okay, pawb lawr. Oh. Fel maen nhw'n gweud, abs like slabs. Alright? Oh. Cadw fynd. Less than 10 seconds. Come on in. 9. Cadw fynd. Quality. Cadw fynd. Da iawn chi. Oh my days. Oh. Struggling to get up, boys. Oh, Steph. Burpees. What was I thinking? Oh, I must have been in a very good mood. Cofia, hands go down first, then we kick out, kick back in, land. I'm going to do it fan in. And I swap around. Pan gallu weld, dwylo lawr, kick o mas, kick o mewn. Naid bach, okay? Mas, mewn, lan. Kick o mas, mewn. Land, good. Hands down, kick out, kick them back in, and up. Good. These are hard, boys, back. Good. Cadw fynd. Oh. Should have done an extra one there, I think. Feel a bit bad. And that's what we don't want. Pai teimlo drwg. Don't feel naughty. Oh, keep going, okay? I'm going to do an extra one tro nesa. I'm not happy. 3. Off ni. Burpees. Good. Dwylo. Kick. Kick mewn. Jump. Ah, yeah. Good. I'm heavier than you lot. So os fi'n gallu neud e, you can do it too. Come on. Good. Really da. 3 eiliad. I said I'd do an extra one. Hopian, okay? So, 30 seconds on one leg. Bend your knee. Okay, plug your penglin. And you off the llawr. Bydd yn ofalus gyda hwn. If you go off, bam, 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 you'll get tired quick. So pace it. When there's 10 seconds, then pick it up again. Okay. I know, I'm not very good at this. If you're on gweithio arno fe. Llosgi nawr is burning. Very bad calves. Genetics, boys bach. Cofia, break it. Bach o balance. If you feel it tipping, use your arms. Cadw fynd. Good. 5, 4, ah. Oh! Oh! Shiglo fe mas. Oh, I'll have to do some stretching of the legs and hold on. Last one. Okay? Go for it. Edrych, brechu fi mynd. O, penglin, dodgy. Good. Whoop, balance. Bach o cydbwysau. Other foot up in the air, trad arall lan. 10 eiliad, come on then. Hop. Ow! Gavin! Oh! Cedder o gwmpas. Mewn eich lle, walk around your space. Bach o dŵr, have a drink of water. I'm sweating. Falle chi'n chwysu fyd. Gotta replace it. And for some reason, there's a man with a check shirt popping up. Top shop. Dim diolch. No adverts for Cardigan Active, thank you. Cerdded round. Anadlu trwy troen, in through your nose. Out through your mouth. Now into your slow fel lawr. Cool down. Oh, okay. Os mae cader y bwysau, neu mae cydbwysau ti'n iawn, stretch o mas, quads. Right knee yn dod lan. Gonna hold it for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Top o droso. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay. Feed the chickens, need hwn o blaen. I'm going to bend one leg. So I'm going to do my left leg, bend the knee, right leg straight, flat on the floor. And slowly feed the swap. Right leg going back and bending, left leg straight. Feed the chickens. Teimlo back o'r coes o'r hamstring. Okay, nice and slow. Nadlu'n dod yn ôl I normal. 94, so ni'n gallu weld. It was up 130 a minute ago. Ni'n cool o lawr. Da iawn. Couple of tippy toes, calves. Okay, just mynd ar toesies. Right ar diwedd. A lawr, nice and slow. Good. Tri arall. Cadw'n adlu. Ooh, un bach mwy. Job done. Okay, 90 yn dod lawr. 82, 87, can't read. Okay, down heddiw, hwnna'n galed. Okay, good tester. So, gyda stwff fel hyn, os chi'n meddwl, oh, I'm not very good at it, just ymarfer, okay? Just bach o ymarfer, a little bit of practice, and you will improve. Okay, just fel ysgol, like in school, maths, oh, I can't do times tables. Ymarfer, and you get better and better. Shids gyda chi fori, okay, di Mercher, halfway. Joio. A wedyn byddai'n ôl di Gwener. Ni'n mynd I wneud superheroes di Gwener, achos di Gwener yw e. Okay, we're going to do superhero themed. Not quite sure what we're going to do yet. But it's going to be something around the superheroes. Os mae unrhyw syniadau, if you've got ideas, hell on them mewn. That would be fantastic. If you've got ideas, send them in. So Friday, superheroes, if you want to dress up, lan I chi. I don't know what I've got in my house. Probably something. Ond na ni. Diolch pawb, bydd hwn ar tudalen Facebook, bydd e ar YouTube a Microsoft Teams ni. Okay? Diolch am ymuno. Ta-ra.